from Slow Ride Garage. This is my black Type 34 Karman Ghia, original paint. Bought it from the original owners in Norco. The original owner was Earl McKay, which was a World War II B-17 bomber pilot. And I bought it from the family. It's been sitting underneath the tree for 30 years. The grandsons drove it in high school and got rear-ended on his way home from prom. And there it sat until I picked it up roughly 5 years ago. And this is a very rare car, being black. They were hand-picked from Volkswagen on the bodies of how they were made, and they were painted that color because the bodies were in very good condition from being made. As you can see here in the pictures, it's been sitting a long time. Enjoy.